What's going on, everybody? It's Tim from A4 Outdoors, and going to do a little something different today. I've got to go help a buddy out mow a yard, and we got some new straps from Strapinno. If you watched the previous videos, I love their straps. So anyway, what we're going to do is they sent us some new straps. This is more of the smaller type straps, so I'm going to use it to strap down the lawnmower. Again, these straps come kind of same with the other ones. They come with a nice carrying bag, the instructions, and these are a little smaller. I think they're 1.5 inches wide. I haven't really had a chance to look at them good yet, but so the braking strength is still really good. It's like 4,800 pounds and 1,600 pound working load limit. So we're going to use them to strap down the lawnmower. So what's cool about these, and I'll put a link in the description. The total length is 12 feet, so they're long, which is wraps up on here, but they're not crazy long. And they're 1.5 inches wide by 12 feet long. And these came with which is pretty neat for stuff if you don't have really too many hook points. They come with like a little soft strap also that you can put around stuff to hook your hook to, so that way if there's no clips or anything like that, you've got a place where you can actually hook it down, hook it on. I think we've got a couple hooks on the front, so I really won't have to use those, but in the back I might put one. So what we'll do is I'm going to hold it here. I think I can hook. Actually, what we might do is use these straps for here. I think I might put that around there like that and hook this on there like so. Actually, I'm going to do it on the side. Won't reach like that, but anyway, we're going to do that. Hook these on here like so. And then I think, let's see here, that's probably not going to work because that's a little too short. I'm going to hook it to my eye hook up here. I believe that's going to work. And then I'll hook this one to there. There's that one. Let me grab another one. So it looks like completely closed. You've got to do at least, I don't know, it looks like about 18 inches, maybe 24 inches is the shortest that they'll work. So we're right at that here. It's about as tight as you're going to be able to get it. But what I'll do is I'll hook that there, which is, again, I said the nice thing, it's got this little clip that keeps them from popping loose. Then I'll hook this one on there. All right, there's those two in the front, and that's probably enough, but I've got them and they're super simple and quick, so let's slap a couple more on it, or at least, oh, there's actually hooks back here, so that's perfect. Don't have really haul the lawnmower that much, but again, it comes with the little soft hooks there if you need to use them. If not, what we'll do is let's hook this here, then we'll use the soft ones here. We'll hook it like that, hook it through here. Just make sure you get through both of them, of course, and the clips like that. Close it, lock it down, and we'll do one more for the other side just to make sure they're good and secure. And that way you got one on all four corners, and there's no way it's going anywhere then. So let's use this soft one. Tire's in the way a little bit, but that'll work. Put that. Then we'll open this up. That on there. Now she's secured at all four corners, not going anywhere. Good to go. So Anyway, these are new straps. I don't think they've been out long. The smaller ones, they are retractable, which is the best thing about it. Strapinno, that's kind of what they're known for, is their retractable ratchet strap. So far, I've used a lot of the big ones. We use them on the side by sides, the four wheelers, and no problem whatsoever. But these are just a new smaller set, which is plenty to hold the lawnmower, four wheeler, all that good stuff. So again, check out Strapinno. I'll put a link in the description. Awesome product, and just makes your life easier when you strap stuff down. Again, guys, if you like this video, hit a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.